And now, you're going to see the car they all said couldn't be built. All except the folks at Ford, that is. Here, making its first appearance on the Ford show, is the new Ford Skyliner, the world's only hideaway hardtop. Now, you may think you're looking at a longer, redesigned Ford Victoria, but what you're really seeing is an engineering miracle, the kind that can only come from Ford. And if you think the word miracle is an exaggeration, you just watch. Would you do the honors, please? All you do is pull the control button, and the magic starts. First, the Skyliner's longer deck lid opens up wide. Next, the all-steel roof unlocks itself and swings up. The forward panel here folds under, and the top continues to move back, and then down. All of this sort of makes you wonder what those masterminds at Ford Engineering are going to think up next, doesn't it? The top vanishes completely into the trunk. The deck lid closes down over it, and finally, automatic screws lock it tight into place. Well, you saw it. From a steel hardtop to a wide-open convertible in less than a minute. Was I right in calling this car an engineering miracle? I say it is. It's the car of the future, just as sure as its name is Ford. Will you raise the top for the folks, please, ma'am? You know, the amazing Ford Skyliner is really a revolutionary car. And this is important to you, no matter which one of Ford's 21 exciting new models you might choose. Because the Skyliner demonstrates the kind of advanced engineering, exhaustive testing, and downright extra value that goes into every part and every feature of every Ford. Remember this, from custom to Fairlane 500, from Thunderbird to station wagon, every Ford model is just as outstanding in its own field as this newest, new kind of Ford, the Ford Skyliner. So if you want to own the leader in power and performance, in styling and stamina, in sheer glamour and newness, in everything that adds up to value, then you want a Ford.
Thunderbirds, United States Air Force jet demonstration team. Their F-100 Super Sabres are powered by Pratt & Whitney J57 engines, manufactured by the Ford Aircraft Engine Division. Now, here are three more super performers from Ford. The 1957 Ford Thunderbirds. You're looking at the latest version of America's most talked-about car. For 57, Ford has shaped the classic Thunderbird profile into a completely fresh, completely distinctive style all its own. New swept-back tail fins and the longer rear deck add elegance to its lower-than-ever lines. These new dimensions give you more luggage room, too. Even with a spare tire inside, you get more luggage space than last year. You know, there's not another car like it in America. It's powered by a big 312 cubic inch V8 engine with twin 4-barrel carburetors. You'll have to look far to find a performer that can match this one. Or will you? Well, birds of a feather fly together, and only the new kind of Ford for 57 has the Thunderbirds kind of go. This new Sunliner, for example, is powered by the same mighty V8 engine that's in the Thunderbird. Here's the new Fairlane 500 Crown Victoria. It has the mark of tomorrow in every detail, like the new swept-back windshield pillars. This is Ford's custom 300 four-door sedan. Only Ford in the low-price field gives you this choice of two longer sizes. And speaking of size, just size up this new country sedan, one of 5 Ford station wagons. Visit your Ford dealer and find out about the new kind of fun you can have in the new kind of Ford.
Daddy, wait, let me do it.
You're You're never too young or too old for the kind of fun you get in the new kind of Ford Sunliner. Although you really can expect an 8-year-old to appreciate some of the more practical features, such as the fact that this rugged top has double-sealed and double-stitched seams, and it's fade-resistant, too. All he knows is that top-up or top-down, this longer and lower-than-ever Ford is the best-looking car on the block. Okay, now climb in back. And don't worry about those feet. Ford's easy-to-clean vinyl upholstery was designed with small boys in mind. All set? Then...
Blast off!
Under that hood is the same mighty V8 engine that made the Thunderbird famous. It can really put the wind in your hair in a hurry. And at any speed, on any road, you'll get a smooth, floating on clouds ride that's unlike anything ever offered by any low-priced car. Hard to believe, isn't it, that this is the lowest-priced convertible in America. No wonder, year after year, the Ford Sunliner outsells all other convertibles. It's the greatest. Right?
Right.
This is the new kind of Ford. A low-priced car that not only looks, rides, and handles like an expensive car, but sounds like one, too. And how a car sounds is a good indication of how well it is built. When you slam the trunk lid of a Ford, for instance, you hear a good, solid sound. And each time you open and close the precision-fitted doors, you hear further proof of Ford's solid construction. Even the quiet hum of the power windows and four-way power seat reflects quality craftsmanship. Now there's a sound that signals adventure ahead, the distinctive sound of Thunderbird V8 power. And of course, every Ford owner gets used to hearing this. But most of the time, all you'll ever hear will be the quiet ticking of the clock or music on the radio. Distracting road and engine noise just can't get in, because this Ford is the most thoroughly insulated and sound-conditioned car in its field. Action test this new kind of Ford soon. What you hear and don't hear will be further proof that the '57 Ford is the fine car at half the fine car price. It's Saturday morning, and as usual, there are a lot of station wagons in town, most of them Fords. There's Mrs. Johnson in her new two-door Del Rio. She tried them all and finally decided on a Ford because it's so easy to drive and park. It doesn't have that truck feel some other wagons have. And as for style, well, have you ever seen a better-looking station wagon? At the boatyard, Ed Wilson's loading his 6-passenger country sedan for a weekend fishing trip. Wonder if Ed still remembers the days when he had to tie that boat on top of his car. Well, he sure has plenty of inside room now, over 34 square feet of it. Speaking of room, just look at this gang pile into that 9-passenger country sedan. The whole team can travel together now, and in real solid comfort. Their Ford is powered by the Thunderbird V8 engine. That's the very same engine that made the Thunderbird famous. Here are a couple of hard workers, Tim McDonald and his business partner, a Ford ranch wagon. Mac has to keep an eye on costs, and he was really impressed when he found out what a low price tag this station wagon carried. In fact, model for model, right up to this distinguished 9-passenger country Squire, all 5 Ford station wagons are the lowest priced of the low-price 3. No wonder they're America's most popular. Let's see what makes the 1957 Ford a new kind of Ford and why it's such a solid sensation all over the country. Watch. First, the wheels are lower and wider. These new 14-inch wheels permit a lower body, grip the road tighter, make handling easier. Now let's add Ford's completely new frame. It's the widest and strongest that Ford ever built. Combined with Ford's new front suspension and new rear suspension, it helps to make the 57 Ford the smoothest riding Ford ever. And because the frame flares out at the center, the seats are within the side rails for added protection. The power's new, too. This Thunderbird V8 engine is the very same engine that's in the fabulous Thunderbird. Finally, over this inner Ford, there's a brand new body that's up to 9 inches longer, 4 inches lower, with full headroom, full legroom, and full road clearance besides. Best of all, these longest, lowest, strongest Fords ever have a lower price. In fact, the lowest price of the low-price 3. You've seen just a few of the reasons why the 1957 Ford is a new kind of Ford. It's the fine car at half the fine car price. Ford, and only Ford, offers you so much for so little. For example,
Only Ford offers 21 models to choose from, including this Ford Skyliner, the world's only hideaway hardtop.
Only Ford in its field has double-sealed brakes to keep water and dirt out of the brake system.
Only Ford in its field has a hood that's hinged at the front. Makes it almost impossible to fly open while you're driving.
Only Ford in its field offers a truly modern short-stroke 6 for best all-around performance.
And only Ford offers Thunderbird V8 power and a choice of 5 great V8 engines.